How to record voiceover in NanoBanana.AI. I'm going to guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your laptop, open your preferred web browser. On the browser, search for NanoBanana.AI and navigate to its offshore website. Now, NanoBanana.AI itself does not have a built-in voiceover recording features. So, in order to record a voiceover while using it on your laptop, you will need to use your computer's built-in tool or third-party app. If you are on Windows, you can use the voice recorder app. Just press the source menu and type voice recorder, then click it to open. From there, you can hit the record button and start speaking while you are working on NanoBanana AI. Alternatively, you can also use free third-party app like Audacity for more control over your voice recording. Once recorded, you can save the audio file and later sync it with your NanoBanana AI image or edit using a video editor like CapCut or iMovie. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.